Hello, Lora Cheadle here, and I just got my monthly subscription box from Mindful Souls, and it's amazing. So I had to stop and share it with you, and also I've got a discount code for you. So if you want to get your own Mindful Souls monthly subscription box, I highly recommend it. The boxes are filled with incredible tools that will help you integrate self-care and mindfulness into your everyday life. Things like this gorgeous amethyst lamp that I've been keeping on my desk that I just look at and it reminds me, oh yeah, stop and breathe. And you know what? When I just did that, I realized this is also a Mindful Souls necklace. This is on the throat chakra. And this reminds me to speak my truth to people that I love, and also to speak my truth to anybody around me, because it's important. It's important to honor my own integrity, and it's also important to honor them with me speaking the truth. But anyway, back to the box. Every month you get these amazing affirmation cards that are always spot on. This month's card is "My mind is a powerful tool for transforming dreams into reality." So yeah, that's what I'm working on this month. Gorgeous kyanite ring. You always get a sticker. These stickers are really fun for water bottles, for your computers, for whatever. I've got this incredible citrine necklace. Can't wait to wear that. But right now I've got my throat chakra one on because I'm talking. This affirmation card deck. I love affirmations. Affirmations are really important and they're really simple. And what I've really appreciated about this deck, I don't want to disturb things, is for me, I just pull a card randomly. Like randomly, just pull a card. And it usually is exactly that thing I need. Ha ha ha. Look at this one. Learn with ease. Yeah, I've been learning some new stuff lately, so that's a great affirmation. Learning comes naturally and effortlessly to me. I'm capable of mastering my skills and mastering any skill I set my mind to. And then what I love about these cards too is it gives you a challenge. Pick a random topic and dedicate 50 minutes to learning everything you can about it. How much fun is that? This is one of my favorites. Do you see this up here? This is a pendulum. If you haven't worked with the pendulum, no worries. Mindful Souls boxes always contain a pamphlet that lets you know what the things are and how to use them. Pendulums are amazing because they help you access answers. Whether it's coming from your subconscious or whatever, it's a tool that you can use to get clarity and guidance. So if you're like, do I accept that new job? You can use your pendulum to help you answer that. And this is so well balanced. That's one of the problems with some cheap pendants, and all the Mindful Souls things, look at me go, are just beautiful, high quality. Let's see what else is in here. We've got the gorgeous pendant. Oh, I love this. This is the kyanite ring. And you can wear this ring when you're doing some of your visualization or your manifesting work. Look at that. Amazing. You've got incense sticks. I love incense. Oh yeah, this is good stuff. Yeah, this is good stuff. Again, tools, just tools that you can use. You come home, you're stressed out, light up your incense, put on your ring, read some of your cards, chill out. It's self-care. It's everyday mindfulness self-care. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, I love this necklace. This is a double layered necklace. It's absolutely gorgeous. See if you can turn that around. Look at that. It's got the two. It's got the stone and the lotus blossom in there. I can't wait to wear this one. Let's see what this is. Ooh, a crystal. I love crystals. I just hold them. Again, holding them reminds me to do things like breathe, slow down. What was your intention this week? What was your intention for the day? What's your intention for the entire month? Let's see what this is. super excited. I don't know. You know what? I have to just point out too their logo. Their logo is gorgeous. Ooh, a jade comb. Look at that. Okay, that feels good. That feels like somebody is giving me a scalp massage. I love that. Okay, now this is the part that I really, really love. It's the brochure that tells you about everything. So it tells you what you've got and what are some options for doing with it. Like this rose quartz pendulum. Here's a ritual. Here's a ritual that you can do working with a pendulum. Okay, instructions 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what else. Inner vision activation, that's another ritual. Jade hair comb. What I love, like that, it explains what they are, what chakra they're related to, and it gives you ideas for what you can do with it. Because I know that's one of the things with self-care for so many of us. We're like, I don't know what to do. I don't know. I went and bought some of this stuff and I don't know what to do. I don't know. So it tells you what to do and it lays it out simply, like working with a pendulum. Find a quiet place. Connect with the energy of the pendulum by holding it and feeling the energy of the rose quartz. Close your eyes and focus your mind on a yes or a no question about anything in your life. Open your eyes and observe the pendulum's movement as it swings. A side to side represents a no, and a front to back signifies a yes. So like that, even just the process of playing with it puts you in a more mindful state, and it connects you to you. Just a brief moment of self-care. I love their boxes. And every month it's something different, but there's also some beautiful similarities every month. If you'd like to try it out, go to mindfulsouls.com and enter discount code LORA25. And that's LORA 25. And you will get, yes, 25% off. So enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Come back home to yourself. Explore different options for self-care, for mindfulness, and enjoy the Mindful Souls box. And when you get yours, let me know what you think. And remember, mindfulsouls.com, and it's Lora, LORA 25. Bye.